Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore innovative ways to maximize your earnings. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating topic: 9 ways to earn money while sleeping. Yes, you heard it right. While you're catching those Z's, why not earn some extra cash on the side? Let's dive in. Number 1. Investment apps. By utilizing investment apps, such as Acorns or Robinhood, you can passively grow your wealth even while you're deep in dreamland. Simply set up automatic investments and watch your money work for you. Number 2. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide a consistent stream of passive income. Whether it's an Airbnb or a long-term rental, your properties can generate money while you're counting sheep. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with brands and promoting their products through affiliate links can yield commissions while you snooze. Leverage your online presence and let the sales come to you. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Print on demand. Set up a print-on-demand store and design unique products that resonate with your audience. Each sale means profit in your pocket, even as you're in dreamland. Number 5. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, why not sell your images on stock photography websites? With each download, you're earning money effortlessly. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Join a peer-to-peer lending platform and let your money earn interest by helping others fulfill their financial needs. It's a win-win situation for all parties involved. Number 7. Automated online courses. Create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable and generate passive income through course sales. Your expertise could be turning into a gold mine while you're fast asleep. Number 8. YouTube monetization. Start a YouTube channel and produce valuable content that attracts viewers. With the right audience engagement, your channel could be a 24/7 money-making machine. Number 9. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks and receive regular payouts, even while you dream of your next adventure. Let your money work for you and watch your dividends grow. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to earn money passively while you sleep. By diversifying your income streams and leveraging technology, you can turn your downtime into a profitable endeavor. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to start earning money while catching those Z's. Sweet dreams and even sweeter earnings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wealth-building tips. Until next time, good night and happy earning!